Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
SEC v. Ripple, what's next in the XRP lawsuit? James K. Filan, a Connecticut-based attorney specializing in securities litigation and regulatory compliance, has shared a timeline with the upcoming due dates in the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. The SEC v. Ripple remains one of the most high-profile lawsuits for the financial services industry in the United States and in the world, as the outcome of the precedent-setting case is likely to ripple through the space as firms and the SEC take notes on how to approach digital assets. Many have said it is all about the fair notice because of its potential to strike a blow to the SEC's regulation by enforcement practice. Judge Annalisa Torres has recently denied the SEC's motion to strike the fair notice defense and explained how Ripple could win using that defense. In the meantime, the SEC has found a new way to tackle the DPP issue. The plaintiff is using Judge Torres' recent ruling to argue that the privileged documents, including Hinman's notes and emails and the Estabrook notes, are irrelevant in the lawsuit. The above-mentioned ruling was the individual defendants' motion to dismiss the case against them, which the judge denied. Also worth of note was her statement that XRP sales were not predominantly foreign, thus rejecting Garlinghouse and Larson's claim. In a recent interview with Joseph Grunfest, the ex-SEC official said the SEC would face a big challenge with the complexities of the XRP structure in order to detect transactions that are, in fact, inside the SEC's jurisdiction. By stating that XRP sales were not predominantly foreign, the court might believe there is no such issue. The deliberative process privilege, DPP, stands in the way. James K. Filan, a Connecticut-based attorney specializing in securities litigation and regulatory compliance, has shared a timeline with the upcoming due dates in the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. While the critical DPP fight is still ongoing, the lawyer stated the court's decisions on the motions to strike the fair notice defense, denied, and to dismiss the court against the individual defendants, denied, were milestones. XRP price sets sights on $1, but Ripple on-chain metrics remain low. XRP price breakout from a bull flag pattern hints at a retest of $1. On-chain metrics remain neutral and suggest a likely minor downturn before the bullish outlook continues. A breakdown of the $0.687 support level will invalidate the bullish thesis for Ripple. XRP price has triggered a massive breakout from an optimistic pattern, but the consolidation has caused it to remain range-bound. While the technicals are bullish, on-chain metrics hint at a minor blockade ahead. XRP price looks to continue its ascent. XRP price action over the past month or so has set up a bull flag continuation pattern. The 55% run-up between February 3rd and 8th created a bull flag, and consolidation that ensued between converging trend lines set a flag. On March 11th, the XRP price breached the flag's upper trend line at $0.779, indicating a breach of the pattern. This technical formation forecasts a 31% ascent to $1, determined by measuring the bull flag's height and adding it to the breakout point. So far, the XRP price seems to be holding up well but needs to surpass the $0.856 and $0.917 hurdles to reach its intended target at $1. While the breakout from the bull flag formation is bullish and something to look forward to, the funding rate for XRP price seems to have spiked massively. The funding rate is used to determine which side of the camp traders are in. A positive value suggests that many investors are expecting the asset to go higher. However, extreme values are often indicative of the tops or bottoms. For Ripple, the funding rate has seen an uptick from 0.015% to 0.123%, a 720% increase, suggesting that a temporary reversal in trend is likely. Moreover, the 24-hour active addresses metric that is used to determine the investor's interest in XRP at the current price levels has dropped from 117,000 on March 2 to 49,000 on March 16. This 58% decline indicates that the inflow of capital is reducing as these market participants are uninterested in the prospects of Ripple. Therefore, investors need to exercise caution at least until the funding rate neutralizes, to enter long positions. If XRP price produces a decisive close below the immediate support level at $0.687, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. Ukraine president enacts a law to legalize crypto as donations pour in. The Ministry of Digital Transformation said that foreign and domestic crypto exchanges can operate legally but did not make crypto a legal tender. Key insights. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has signed a bill to legalize cryptos. Ukraine has received over $100 million in crypto donations to fund its war against Russia. The Finance Ministry is working on crypto tax regulations and other possible rules. On Wednesday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky signed a virtual assets bill, legalizing cryptocurrencies in the embattled country. Crypto is now legal in Ukraine. The signed law determines the legal status, classification and ownership of virtual assets according to a statement from the Ministry of Digital Transformation. It also outlines the registration requirements for crypto exchanges and service providers. Confirming the news in a tweet, Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation said that exchanges and crypto companies can now operate legally, and banks will issue accounts for them. The National Securities and Stock Market Commission of Ukraine will regulate the new crypto market. The regulator will look into aspects including the formation of state policy for cryptos, determining the order of turnover, issuing approval and permits to crypto service providers, and financially monitoring the crypto market. The statement added, "The signing of this law by the president is another important step towards bringing the crypto sector out of the shadows and launching a legal market for virtual assets in Ukraine." However, it is essential to note that the law does not make crypto a legal tender but provides a regulatory structure for the digital asset class. Additionally, the country's finance ministry is also actively working to amend crypto tax regulations and other rules such as civil codes. The bill was passed on February 17 by the Ukrainian parliament, legalizing BTC and other cryptos such as ETH and XRP, after the president had rejected an earlier version of the bill in 2021. Law could ease more crypto donations to aid in the war. The law arrives at a time when Ukraine has received at least $100 million in crypto donations in the weeks since Russia invaded the country. The new crypto law will enable the country's top crypto exchange Kuna, which has been receiving millions of donations, to spend those funds with crypto-friendly suppliers directly. The exchange has been responsible for aiding those donations to the armed forces of Ukraine. XRP cryptocurrency bullish by 3% in the last 24 hours. XRP cryptocurrency is currently on bullish momentum by 3.68% in the last 24 hours. At 14:29 EST on Thursday 17th of March, XRP/USD is at $0.7939. Volume. Today's last reported volume for XRP is 3,760,200,756, 12.15% below its average volume of 4,280,403,306.19. All-time high and low. XRP's current value is at 79 cents, 76.64% below its all-time high of $3.40 on Sunday 7th of January. XRP's current value is at 79 cents, 29,449.93% above its all-time low of $3.40 on Thursday 22nd of May. Market cap and supply. XRP's current market cap is at $38,197,598,807. The total supply is $100 billion.00, maximum supply is $100 billion.00. And the circulating supply is 48,121,609,012.00. XRP/USD range. Regarding XRP's daily highs and lows, it's 3.1% up from its trailing 24 hours low of $0.7700 and 0.49% up from its trailing 24 hours high of $0.7900. Social status. Currently, XRP/USD has 2,456,283 Twitter followers and 348,029 Reddit subscribers. As of now, on GitHub, there are 1,353 forks, 4,105 stars, and 505 subscribers. Volatility. XRP's last week, last month's, and last quarter's current intraday variation average was a positive 0.52%. A negative 0.12%, and a positive 3.61%, respectively. XRP's highest amplitude of average volatility was 2.90%, last week, 3.54%, last month, and 3.61%, last quarter, respectively. Other news about XRP/USD. According to Benzinga on Monday 14th of March, Alderity explained that the ruling makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distribution of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under securities law. He also said that he feels that it is imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. XRP price action. Since the ruling was first announced on Friday, XRP skyrocketed by over 15% from a low of under 73 cents to a high of over $0.845 in a matter of hours. News about Bitcoin. Bitcoin records largest on-chain volume in its history at $39,000. Can retail investors hold sway over whales? According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, as of March 14th, 82% of Bitcoin supply held by short-term holders was held at a loss, while the total supply held by long-term Bitcoin holders is near all-time highs. Price action. At press time, Bitcoin was trading at $39,000, gaining 2.21% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin whale just transferred $38 million BTC from Binance to Bitstamp. According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, if a whale were to sell all of their Bitcoin on one exchange, there would be a high price impact. What happened? An anonymous Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, whale just transferred $38,936,658 worth of Bitcoin off Binance, and the investor then sent these funds to Bitstamp. Crypto founders' idea on ending war in Ukraine, pay Russians $250 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum to watch videos. According to Benzinga on Thursday 17th of March, what happened? In a post published on March 15th, Williams proposed using smart contracts and $250 million worth of Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, and Ethereum, crypto, ETH, for the cause. Bitcoin whale just transferred $30 million worth of BTC onto Coinbase. According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, what happened? An anonymous cryptocurrency wallet holding $30,986,113 of Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, just transferred their funds onto Coinbase. It's likely that this Bitcoin whale is planning either on selling Bitcoin or trading it for other altcoins. Bitcoin evangelist Saylor tells economists why they're wrong. According to Bloomberg Quint on Monday 14th of March, meanwhile, the days since the enterprise software company added to its stockpile of Bitcoin are adding up. Saylor also argued that Bitcoin was superior to gold in that one could charge rent on it, or what the industry calls staking, and was transportable in the event of geopolitical crises.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.